Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Roblox Acorn hair. Begin by lightly sketching an oval for the head, then add a cross for facial guidelines. Next, draw the general shape of the acorn hair, focusing on its rounded top and slightly pointed bottom. Don't press too hard, as these are just initial guides. This first step sets the foundation for all the details we'll add later, ensuring good proportions. Keep your lines loose and flowing. Now, let's add some detail to the acorn hair. Start by drawing curved lines to represent individual strands, following the general flow of the hair. Focus on creating a sense of volume by varying the length and direction of these lines. Think about how the hair would naturally fall around the head. These details bring the hair to life, giving it a more realistic and dynamic appearance. Remember to keep your lines clean and deliberate. It's time to refine our drawing. Carefully erase any unnecessary sketch lines from the initial steps, leaving only your desired outlines. Next, add shading to give the hair depth and dimension. Consider where light would hit the hair and where shadows would naturally fall. Use lighter strokes for highlights and darker strokes for shadows. This step truly makes the hair pop, giving it a professional and finished look. For the final touches, take a step back and review your entire drawing. Check for any areas that might need slight adjustments or further refinement, perhaps a few more strands or a bit more shading in a specific spot. Ensure the acorn hair looks balanced and fits well with the character's head. You've done a great job. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.